Okay, everybody, this is a video showing you my process of what I'm doing while I'm tracing. So what I do is I get the tracing paper, I put it on top of my drawing, and what I'm doing is just pulling lines and shapes and pattern and texture from the pictures that I made a collage with. And so eventually the shapes that I'm making and the lines I'm making, I'm going to be using color theory to color it in. Right now this is the first side, and so once we finish the first side, we turn it over and do the next side. Once we finish the first side, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing the tape and then start the second tracing, which is what you're about to see right now. I'm going to remove the tape and we're going to trace exactly over the front, just on the other side. So we want to make sure that we're tracing over everything and we're not missing any lines and that we're not off, or else it's not going to transfer over to our final paper that we want to color. So right now this is the second tracing. And for the third tracing, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting a sketch paper, and we're going to be taking our tracing that we've had front and back, and we're going to put it on top of that sketch paper and trace it once again. And once we're done tracing this last one, what's going to happen is that our sketch paper is going to have the design on there, and we're going to kind of fine tune it a little bit and then add some color. So we'll get to that right now. And the last step of our collage creation is actually swatching, is looking at the colors, what kind of colors we want to use. Using color theory to pick the colors, not just pick random colors. You want to make sure that you're sticking with the color theory of either analogous, complementary, monochromatic, all those different ones, triad, and then see which ones you'd like. Swatch them on the paper. Swatching means writing them on there or putting an example of how the color looks so you can understand how it looks. And then again, you really got to plan out where you want to color everything and then kind of see how it looks and then kind of keep it from there. Then you color it and we're done with the project.